I have to find a way to save myself.
The double bascule bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge columns. Step 2. Build the bridge decks. Step 3. Connect bridge decks to bridge. How does the double bascule bridge work?
Must be quick. Come here, Godzilla. Oh no, it's alive.
The wings bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge columns. Step 2. Build the bridge decks. Step 3. Connect bridge decks to bridge. How does the wings bridge work?
Just lift it up.
Construction material plan. Sand pit. Nails pit. Charcoal pit.
Boss, all storage pits are ready for the materials.
Okay, I'll call the delivery truck right now. Bring the sand here now.
Copy that, boss.
Oh!
The sand is here.
Let's start dumping the sand into this pit.
How to build the sand scoop conveyor truck. 1. Build the track chassis. The chassis has piston suspension to keep it stable. Add the sprocket. It uses for sprocket pairs in total. Nice! The movement and suspension work well. Lock pin. Add the tracks. Battery box. Now I'll connect the two track sides together. 2. Build the bucket conveyor. This tank holds water for the conveyor to scoop, while the bucket conveyor keeps lifting and pouring the water. Testing.
The sand bin is full. Stop now.
Iron nail.
Great! Now bring the nails over here!
Yes, boss, I'll go get the next load.
Whoa! Yoo-hoo! Whoa!
Awesome. Only the charcoal bin left to fill. Right, let's dump the charcoal in.
Whoa!
Boss, all 3 materials are in the pits now.
Good! Now the factory can start production!
You know what?
The boss is looking for a delivery truck. I will build it to get money.
What? I also build the car to get that money.
Let's see which one will win.
Okay, I agree. How to build the chain shaker. Step 1. Build the chain shaker frame. Step 2. Build the container. Step 3. Assemble the container into the vehicle. What about your vehicle?
Here it is.
How to build the Summit Seeker. Step 1. Build the Summit Seeker frame. Step 2. Build the reduction motor. Step 3. Build container. Step 4. Assemble the container into the vehicle.
Let's star.
Level 1. Speed test. Chain shaker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Fail. Oh no. Summit Seeker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Pass.
You lose.
Let's try again. Level 2. Bump. Chain shaker. Fail. The Summit Seeker. Fail. The boss will be pleased with us.
I think so.
What are you guys doing with my Lego parts? Salary cut.
Salary cut.
Here you go.
Eat up.
Once upon a time. Quiet. Can you just stop making noise for 1 second?
No, I don't like. Stop hitting me.
You're so loud.
You stop first.
I want to have my own bedroom.
We should do now then.
How to build the automatic ladder. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build a set of stairs. A rope attached to a set of stairs. Step 3. Connect stairs to the frame. Add the engine. Step 4. Complete assembly. Testing. Complete decoration.
Wow.
Wonderful.
My bedroom is awesome.
So cool.
A room just got upgraded with this cool bunk
How
bed.
do I get to the upper bunk of the bunk bed?
Let me show you. Turn on button.
Oh, it's so modern.
Look.
God, that's great. This is the coolest ride to my room ever. This new room is amazing. Yahoo! I like this bedroom. Here I go, down the best slide ever. Let's play.
I know you did it. You're a jerk. Take it out now.
No way.
Inside a food processing factory.
Buddy, we've just received an order for cucumber. We should start slicing it.
Got it. I'll do it now.
Ah.
Let's run the machine.
Keep slicing, buddy. Our veggie slicing machine is so awesome.
How to build the automatic slicing machine. Number 1. Feeding mechanism. Step 1. Build the guiding rail. Add the gear. Add the tread links so the clamp can slide back and forth. Step 2. Build the clamp. Connect to the battery box. Testing. Number 2. Slicing mechanism. First, I'll build the slicing unit. Step 2. Connect slicing unit to support legs. I'll use this blade from a box cutter for my machine. Add the battery box. The tomato. I'll build another machine to push this tomato slice out. Number 3. Ejecting mechanism. To start, I'll build the motor frame. Add the conveyor rail. Next, let's build the base structure. The ejecting mechanism has done. Now, connect 3 components together. My automatic slicing machine has completed.
Wow, more orders are coming in.
Don't worry, I'll handle them fast. Let's slice up the sweet potato and carrot this time.
How awesome! The orders are almost done. Just one potato left now, buddy.
Huh? But it looks so tough.
I delivered more potatoes.
What should we do now?